Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, pliers, and a drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant. Next, you will need to drain about 1 gallon of coolant from the radiator. This prevents spills when you remove the thermostat housing. Safety first, always. Now, let's locate the thermostat housing. It's typically found where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine. Use your pliers to loosen the hose clamp, then carefully disconnect the upper radiator hose. Be prepared for any remaining coolant to spill. Finally, use your socket wrench to unbolt the housing and gently remove the old thermostat and its gasket. Before installing the new thermostat, thoroughly clean the mating surfaces of the housing and engine block. This ensures a leak-free seal. Place the new gasket, then insert the new thermostat, making sure the spring side faces into the engine. Reattach the housing bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect the upper radiator hose securely. With the new thermostat in place, it's time to refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture. Slowly add coolant until it reaches the full mark. Then, start the engine and allow it to warm up, checking for any leaks and bleeding air from the system. This ensures proper operation and prevents overheating. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.